Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's review is going to be on VOOGLAM glasses, and I hope I'm saying that right. VOOGLAM is an eyeglass frames company that you can order eyeglass frames from, of course. You can get your lenses prescription free with blue blocking light, especially if you're like a content creator or something like myself and you're always staring at the computer screen. It helps. It does wonders on your eyes. Or you can also order frames with your prescription lenses added to them, which is pretty cool because then you can have a variety of glasses. You don't have to just stick with, a certain kind of frame. So we are going to review them today, and I'm excited because they sent me some and they look so cute. I can just imagine the outfit ideas I can get with these and what they can match with, and let's just get started. So the first ones I'm going to be trying is called Kiersten. I really like the square frame on these, and they fit my face like perfectly. Like, oh, perfect. I love the detail on them. The multicolor, these are the multicolored glasses. Like, just, oh my gosh, like, look at them. And they go with my eye makeup, they're so cute. They fit the face so nicely. They're not wobbly, they are just really nice. What I really like is how simple they are and how big of a statement that they give. Super cute. Really digging these. Really digging these. The second pair of glasses that we are going to try are called Frida. This is the color turquoise, and they are a round frame. Okay, now these, I really like the detail on these. It does kind of mimic I guess a tortoise, if you will. I do like the rimless sides. They're just, just a little bit on the top of the edge here on the corners where there should be a frame, but there's not. I feel like that just gives it like a real elegant touch, and then it continues on under the eye. I do like how oversized these are, especially for my little face. I feel like they're still cute. They still send a huge fashion statement to me. I really like these. These are really cute. One other thing that I really like about these glasses so far is that they fit very comfortably on the nose. I do notice that none of them have like the little pads there. They're built on pads, which I feel like is perfect because those little pads on some of the glasses, bend and cause your glasses to be lopsided or whatnot. So I really appreciate that these just fit real nicely. The third pair of glasses that we're trying today is called Chelsie. This is in the color green, and they are a rectangle framed eyeglass. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm really liking these just because I love like a neon green yellow color. I don't know, this color just complements my skin to me, but anyway. I really like the detail on these, how the green just outlines the black. I feel like that's really cute. I do have like a roundish oval shape, more oval shaped face. So if you do have an oval shaped face, I feel like square or rectangle frames work nicely. Matter of fact, actually them round frames the tortoise frames that we tried earlier, the Frida, they fit real nicely too. I feel like those look good on a more rounded face. But rectangle and square frames, they just do it. They just do it for me. But these are really cute. The fourth pair of glasses that we have here are called Borislav. I hope I am saying that correctly. This is in the color green. And these are a rectangle frame eyeglass. Okay, so immediately I really am admiring this abstract-like design all throughout the frame. It's all the way down on the ends. I love this chunky effect. I don't know if these are just a bigger size for my face, but they are a little bit big. But I really like how chunky they are to give, you know, they're bold. That's the word I'm looking for. These are very bold. But these are super cute. Okay, and last but not least, we have our Damyan frames. I hope I'm saying that right. This is in the color black and white, and this is a cat eye frame. So I already know I'm gonna like these without putting them on because I have a thing for black and white. So black and white together just always goes to me. And see what I'm saying? Like, they just look really elegant. They fit my face really well. They're not too big. They fit comfortably. I love this little design on it. Like it's like a color contrast, like it's going in and out with the black and white. I really like that. You know, it is just on the frames. I think it'll look cute too on the sides, but I'm still loving it. They're still super cute to me. And I know they'll just go with about anything. Okay, so I think y'all already know, like, these are like my go-tos right now already. Like, these are my go-tos because I feel like these will go with anything I put on. Before we do wrap this video up though, I do want to share that they did send me some really pretty earrings. I have them on now and they are just the cutest earrings like ever. I love how they just look real elegant. They're not extra, they're really lightweight. And they're just so pretty. Like, look at them. Thank you, VOOGLAM. Look at y'all trying to know my life. Like, those are like just so cute. They also came in this cute little box, jewelry box, earring box, whatever you want to call it. I thought they were so cute and sweet of them. Thank you so much, VOOGLAM. Like, I do also want to include that each pair of glasses that you do order comes with these nice little cloths, cleaning cloths, which come in very handy because when I tell you trying to clean your lenses with paper towels or something is just not working. These are like microfiber cloths and they work wonders on your glasses. Okay, so that does wrap up my video for today. VOOGLAM, thank you so much for sending me these glasses. They are so cute. I absolutely love them. You guys, please order your glasses today. If you have lenses, like I said, you don't have to go with a certain type of lens or try to buy something expensive like Gucci or whatnot. If you got the coins, sis, go ahead. Nobody is judging. But you know, if you want to ball out on a budget, this is the way to go. And you guys can use my code. I'll leave it linked down below in the description box. It is Mimi15, I believe. Again, I'll link it down below and go get that money off on your order. Cause sis. VOOGLAM, thank you so much for sending me these glasses. Again, I really love them. Thank you for the earrings. They're absolutely so cute. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so and hit that like button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.